Hi, my name is Steve Cavaleris, and we're here today at the NECA convention at Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And as I was walking around, I saw the one and only Joseph Wages from the IAEI. Joseph, it's a pleasure to finally meet you. We've been talking on the phone for years. You've been helping me answer some questions when I got a little stuck. And I just want to say thank you very much.
Well, again, it's nice to finally put a face with the name, the person I've been talking to on the phone. It's really neat to meet you in person, and glad that IAEI is able to help you. Some of this time, it's not just me helping you, it is me reaching out to some other subject matter experts and saying, hey, we got a question, what do you think? So there's a network of people that we rely on to get answers to folks when they need it. So I do appreciate the kind words.
Joseph, can you tell our viewers out there a little bit about the IAEI and the important things that we're doing for our electrical industry?
Well, a lot of folks think that in order to be a member of IAEI, they have to be an electrical inspector. And that's really not been the case for years. Most of our membership, sometimes up to 70% of the membership, are other than electrical inspectors. So we're an association of electrical professionals that represent the electrical safety aspect, and we've got a lot of folks that have been inspectors all their life. But we also have got folks from the utility, we've got folks from engineering firms, folks from manufacturers, apprentices, electricians, contractors, just a wide variety of electrical professionals out there that are part of our family. And we sit back and have meetings to where if you're in an IEI meeting, it's a non-confrontational environment to ask code questions or to find something out. It's not on a job site where that inspector is out there maybe going to write you a red tag for something. You're in a non-confrontational environment with inspectors, installers, and everybody's learning why they're doing things, why they're inspecting things, and everybody's on the same page. Once you get back on the job site, it's like, well, I really understand why the inspector's enforcing this, because this is what the code says. When we turn this building over to someone, that it's electrically safe, and the building official is doing the same thing. They want to make sure the gas, the framing, everything on that building complies with the codes that are in place, to where that person that's never met the electrician, never met the contractor, they walk in, they assume the building's safe because of what is being done by these first preventers, is what I call them. We know the first responders are the fire and the police. They respond to these situations when something happens. Electricians, plan review folks, inspectors, engineers, those folks are the first preventers out there that are, by doing their job, they're preventing these problems from happening in the first place. So they're a key component of electrical safety, making sure, or building safety, making sure that the codes are followed, everything's done compliantly, to where that homeowner or that business owner doesn't have to worry about a fire happening or the building collapsing on them or something. So they're an integral part of that process, and it's like a three-legged stool. You take one of the legs away, the stool's going to fall over. So all of them are really important, working together to get things done. So hopefully that answers your question.
So Joseph pointed out a couple of really critical things here. So the IAEI, I joined them a number of years ago, and I got to tell you, it's such a fantastic group of people. I learned so much. We go to these meetings. They've got the top instructors in the country. They have people who sit on the code making panels to teach. And you know what? It's been an absolute joy to be a member of the IAEI. I'm a proud member, and it's been such an important part of my electrical education and my career. So I'm going to say, Joseph, that if you're not a member of the IAEI, just go to the website. It's IAEI.org. Go check them out. Well, I'd like to thank Joseph very much
Thank you.
for your time
you,
and
Steve.
all the great things that you do at IAEI. And again, make sure you go to the IAEI website. It's IAEI.org and go check it out. Try to go to one of their meetings where they have live instructors. Go check it out. All right. And on behalf of electricaltime.com, thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve.